Hi guys, welcome back to Dilly the Do. Today we are doing a house to withstand an earthquake magnet tile edition. Trevor won't be joining us right now, but he will be joining us later. He's just building something right now. And yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. So yeah, and I will keep you guys updated when the first half is done. Okay guys, so the first part's done. So now we're gonna time lapse it and watch the time lapse, I guess. Okay guys, so now it's done. Look at the beauty. So now we're gonna put you guys inside and we're gonna give you guys a full view of what it looks like inside an earthquake. Okay guys, so now we are putting you guys in. Now you guys are gonna experience the shaking. Okay Trevor, we're coming now. We're shaking in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start shaking. Oh my god, what's the crab out there? And remember the earthquake comes at the bottom? Wait. We'll do it from here since it looks more stupid. Oh my. What hell? Like what's in there? Oh no, hey guys. Oh. Okay guys, so yeah, it collapsed as you can see. But that's gonna be around. Thanks for watching Dilly the Do. Trevor, come over here. Like and subscribe and drop a ring on that bell. And we will see you in our next video. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, my channel.